Hello, and welcome to another video from the Rosenberg Library's Computer Services Department. My name is Courtney, and today we'll be learning how to create a free email with Google, also known as a Gmail. Before we get started, you'll need a few things: a smart device with internet access, like a computer or tablet, and a cell phone that can receive text messages. If you don't have a cell phone or a working line, please check out our other video on how to create a free Proton Mail account, which does not require an active phone number. You can find a link to the tutorial for how to create a Proton Mail account in the description of this video. The first thing we'll need to do is open the internet and type in gmail.com in a web browser. This should take us to Gmail's homepage, which will look something like what you can currently see on the screen. In the bottom left corner, we're going to click on the words that say Create Account and choose the option For My Personal Use. This will take you to a new screen where you'll need to fill out some basic information to create your new email address. First, we'll enter in our first and last name. Once you've entered that, it's time to decide what your email address will be. Google will sometimes give you a couple of suggestions based on your first and last name, or you can enter something that you would like. This can be a nickname, a combination of your names, or whatever else you'd wish it to be. If the email address you're trying to use is already claimed, Google will make some alternative suggestions. You can either use one of those suggestions or try adding something like your zip code or favorite number to the email address you're currently working with and see if it's available. If it is, Google will give you the green light and you can move on to creating your password. Your password will need to include at least 8 characters that are a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Some examples of symbols include the $, exclamation point, or the @ symbol. Let's just create a simple one. If you'd like to see your password, you can click on the box here that says Show Password. This way you can make sure that you retype the password correctly in the confirmation box. Once you're happy with that, you can click on the Next button. At this point, you're going to need your cell phone. Google has a verification process that links your email to your phone number. This way, in case you ever log into your email from an unknown device or you forget your password, Google can send you a text message with a special code in order for you to unlock your account. Type in your cell phone number and then click the Next button. This will send you a brief code to your phone number. Once you get the text message, enter the verification number as you see on the text message. Once you receive the code in your text message, enter it exactly as you see it, adding all the numbers after the G. Once you've done that, you'll click the Verify button, and it will confirm that that phone number is now tied to the account. If you have another email address, you can add the optional recovery email, which you can also use instead of your cell phone to reset your account if you for some reason forget your password. You'll then need to add in your birthday and your gender. You may choose female, male, custom, or rather not say. Once you do that, click the Next button, and then it's going to ask if you'd like some more services. In this case, we're going to skip. Once you process all of the privacy and terms, you'll click on the blue I agree button. It'll take a few seconds, but now you have a free email address.